Good morning. This is Greg Hernandez with Nasdaq's Market Intelligence Desk with today's look at the markets for Thursday, May 27th. Futures are pointing sharply higher this morning from news out of both Asia and Europe. Futures are pointing about 1.8% higher. Now, out of China, China denied reports that it was planning on selling euro-denominated debt. Now, that was a negative factor out in the markets yesterday, Wednesday. And so that certainly was a support to market sentiment throughout Asia and Europe overnight. Also out of Europe, Treasury Secretary Geithner is meeting with his German counterparts, and Treasury Secretary Geithner said that Europe and the U.S. are in sync. So again, talks about financial reform and things that need to be done on both sides of the Atlantic. People are just very happy with the harmonious tone of those comments from Tim Geithner. Now, as every Thursday today, we saw initial jobless claims. Today they came in at 460,000. Now, that is 5,000 worse than expected, the 455,000 consensus by economists, but 14,000 lower than last week's figure. So initial jobless claims still kind of in the middle of the range. Continuing claims a bit better than expected. So all in all, the jobless news this morning, more or less a wash. And then tomorrow, on Friday, we'll have personal income statistics. Economists are looking for personal income to have raised 0.4% in April. That will put it at the top of the range over the last year or so. So maybe some optimistic forecasts on personal income. Personal spending also to be out tomorrow. That's on Friday. And also notable overnight, BP stock, British Petroleum, up almost 4% in London trading. Of course, BP has been central to the headlines as the crisis in the Gulf of Mexico grabs the American public's attention more and more. That's been all. This is Greg Hernandez with Nasdaq's Market Intelligence Desk.